I just wanted to take this time out to introduce myself and show you a few things that come standard on the vehicle. We have your Honda sensing package, so your radar will be here, and then your camera's there. That package includes the lane keeping assist, your road departure, your collision braking, and your adaptive cruise control. Those things will keep you protected while you're inside the vehicle. Right here. And then in the inside, we have your Bluetooth, your Apple CarPlay, your leather seats, the powered seats, the Honda Sensing's right there on the steering wheel. The list goes on and on. I can't wait to show you these cool features. The weather's nice today, so stop by. My name is Brianna. My phone number is 256-626-1264. And when you decide to stop by, David, you're going to love the way you're treated.